For the kind of inspection work we do, consumer scanners just aren't accurate enough, and metrology equipment is usually out of budget.
With large part scans, things can get messy fast. The alignment's off, and that kind of delay can cost you the customer.
Traditional measurements already takes too long, and some scans just don't stay true to the real part.
And that's where things start to change. VoxMeta has spent over 10 years in industrial scanning. We know what precision means when real work depends on it. So we built H1 Pro, an all-scenario 3D scanner grounded in industrial-grade precision. Made for real users and real workflows. Built for precision and you.
I work with molds almost every day, so accuracy is really, really important. If the scan data isn't stable, we end up checking the same part again and again. And once rework starts showing up, it slows down everything after that. But with the H1 Pro, the part of this job just got a lot easier. I can scan the whole mold, see the data build right away, and move straight into comparison. What I like about the H1 Pro is that it brings industrial metrology-level precision into something we can usually use every day. You're getting up to 0.015 millimeter accuracy, plus 0.015 millimeters and 0.03 millimeters per meter volumetric accuracy. And the data stays stable.
An aerospace-grade aluminum body keeps H1 Pro rigid and stable. An industrial-grade camera system delivers clear, low-noise imaging with consistent precision. Industrial aviation connectors, gigabit Ethernet transmission, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth work together to keep every connection secure and transfer stable. Because in inspection, everything starts with data you can trust.
It's not complicated to use, and the pricing is much more reasonable for a team like ours. We can scan the whole mold, we can compare it fast, and we can move into inspection without all the usual issues. This means faster spot checks, it means less rework, no more staying late, and a smoother handoff across the whole team. It saves time and it saves money and it keeps the line moving. And honestly, it's just really, really practical.
At the shop, we scan large parts all the time. Bumpers, lips, side skirts, and even the full section of a car. And once the cable gets in the way or loop closure error, the whole job just gets messy fast. You lose time readjusting the equipment and scanning again. In this business, that can cost you the customer. Once I started using H1 Pro, the whole thing just felt a lot more under control, especially on larger jobs. It's a wireless handheld scanner, so I'm not dealing with cables all the time, and I'm not worrying about the battery life either.
With 120 frames per second and up to 4,400,000 points per second, the whole scanning process feels a lot faster.
Honestly, it's probably twice as efficient for the kind of work we do. And with scale bars, we can now scan large parts up to 5 cubic meters, with the volumetric accuracy now up to 0.015 millimeters and 0.02 millimeters per meter. So even the alignment stays precise even on bigger jobs. And that means one device handles most of the automotive customization work we do here without all the extra spending. So we spend a lot less time on measurement and test fitting now. And honestly, it just makes everything easier and more efficient.
When I'm working on custom modifications, reproducing old parts, precision and efficiency are always the hardest part. With consumer-grade scanners, the data often isn't accurate enough, and sometimes the scan gets cleaned up automatically. It looks better, but is no longer true to the part. But with the H1 Pro, I can finally capture the part the way it really is. Thanks to the versatility of blue laser, it handles different materials really well, which matters a lot in my work. What I like most is how true the scan stays to the real object. It doesn't try to smooth things over or improve the result. It just stays faithful to the part. So I'm not wasting time reworking the scan or second-guessing the data. And honestly, that just makes the whole process feel a lot more solid.
Different workflows lead to the same core, steady metrology-level accuracy with fully accountable measurement data. That's the thinking behind H1 Pro, and it's how VoxMeta approaches every tool we build. VoxMeta H1 Pro metrology-grade 3D scanner. True specs meet true value.